Thank you guys so much for joining me. Today we'll be making parfaits. Easy and simple. First we're going to start our base with some Greek yogurt. I suggest getting vanilla Greek yogurt to add a little bit of flavor. Next we're going to add our fruit. I'm going to start off with some bananas. Some strawberries. And then we're gonna add some granola. I chose some dark chocolate. You can do honey and oats, which will be the next one I do. And I would advise breaking those clusters up some if you don't want the big mouth feel. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of honey here. Then we're just gonna repeat because I have a huge jar. If you have something smaller, you will only do 1 layer. Here's my finished product. I'm gonna top it off with some fresh strawberries. You can use any fruit that you want. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me today. I look forward to you coming back. Check out some more videos that I have. God bless you. Peace. Write down what you think in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe.